Welcome to Swathi Vlogs. Today we are cooking mutton biryani in a easy but tasty way. Typical home style biryani. Firstly, grab a pressure cooker and add mutton to boil. Now add salt as per taste and a pinch of turmeric powder. Now add 700 ml of water. This water later can be used for boiling rice. Once the mutton is boiled, keep it aside and start cooking biryani. Grab a pressure cooker and add 3 tablespoons of ghee. Following ghee, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once ghee and oil are hot, add biryani spices. Fry them until flavor is out. Now add half cup of chopped onions and fry them well. While onions are turning golden brown, add 4 green chilies and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and mix them well. Fry them until the ginger garlic paste loses its raw smell. Once it's fried well, add the boiled mutton and mix it well. Now add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Now add 1 cup of chopped mint leaves and mix them well. Now add raw rice at least soaked in water for 30 minutes and mix it well. Now add 3 cups of mutton stock for 2 cups of rice. If you extra water, biryani becomes starchy. Now add salt as per taste. Now add 2 tablespoons of biryani masala. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now add 1 cup of coriander leaves and mix it well. After mixing it well, close the lid and let it sit for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, open the lid, and delicious biryani is waiting to be served. Please like, share and subscribe for more delicious content. Thank you for watching.